everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'll be going over how to make a butterfly. I'm sure you've seen some in maybe your home garden or at the park. They're super beautiful and they come out during the spring and summer times. They're so gorgeous, and today I'll be going over how you can make your own butterfly using just a few things that you might already have at home or at school. Our first step will be taking our piece of paper and folding it into a hot dog. So we'll take it here and fold it in half. I've prepared mine like so already. So we'll take our piece of paper and when it's folded like a hot dog, we'll need this to trace the shape of our butterfly. So I'll show you how to do that now. Once we have traced an outline of our butterfly shape, plus the little rectangle here in the middle, what we're going to do is we're going to grab our pair of scissors and start cutting the outline that we created. And when it's all complete, it should look something like this. What we're going to do is we're going to fold down the sides of our butterfly like so. We're going to fold it just in the middle here, where you created your line, like so. So we'll fold it like that, and then we'll go around and fold the other side. Because the cool things about butterflies is that they're symmetrical. So if you fold the butterfly's wings in half, the pattern on this side will mirror the pattern on that side. So that brings us to our next step, decorating our butterfly. So after we have decorated our butterfly with the colors of our choosing, our next step will be to tape our straws to our butterfly and let the movement happen. So we're going to make our butterflies dance. So our first step is to take our smaller straw, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut the straw in two places about this far down from the top of the straw. So we'll take our pair of scissors, holding them carefully in our arm. Also, this is a time that you can definitely ask for some help if you would like some help. We're just going to snip a little bit here and directly below it, so just at the bottom here. So then when we're done, we'll carefully place our scissors down, and then we'll have a little slit just at the top like so. Okay, and then our next step is to fold our butterfly in half as we had it, and we're going to slowly put this piece like so. So we're just putting the paper in between our straw slit that we created. Then we will take our piece of tape. You can hold it in your hand or put it down. You can prepare your tape. I did not, but that's okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of tape and just tape the straw in place like that. And we can do the same on the other side. Now we will take another straw. This one hopefully is slightly bigger, but like I said, it's totally fine if it's the same size. You can still squeeze them to try to make them work. We're going to take our scissors again and then carefully making a little bit longer slit this time. So this one, I'm gonna make them a little bit more longer, but doing that same idea where it's the same on the top as it is on the bottom. But this one will bend a little bit more. Okay, once you've done so, you're going to carefully put the straw that you have attached to your butterfly into the slit of that new straw and push it in place and try to catch it at the bottom. You'll see your first straw at the bottom there. You can push it in place like so, and then your butterfly will, you saw how it already flapped all the way up. We're going to push the straw all the way up until it's just below the wing, and then we're going to take a moment and tape that in place. So we're taping it on the part of the butterfly's wings. Now, our finished product, we should be able to make this butterfly dance. And now you have a beautiful butterfly that you can run around in the park with. Maybe you have some flowers in your house that your butterfly would like to say hello to. And so this is what your finished product will look like. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you feel confident to make your butterflies dance now. And it's been so fun making these butterflies with you. And I hope you have fun with them. And feel free to make other designs. You can do maybe some sparkles on your butterflies or some paper mache, some paint. Feel free to be creative with it and have lots of fun. Bye for now, and we'll see you next time.